We are just teaching everybody how to set the GSM expiring date. Some of customer reply me, if they set in the GSM expiring date okay, but they do not receive any message. First we will set the voice phone number 1. To enter the admin password.
Enter password.
And 3 is set voice phone number. 1 is voice phone number 1. And enter the mobile phone number.
Now press 1. Only for 1 second. Press confirm to stage. Press the second stage. Active system settings.
Then we will enter the GSM setting.
Enter password.
80 is set the GSM. 4 is duration expiring date. First to figure is year. We input the 1, 5, and the following is month, February. Finally is date. It's 05 today is. Okay, we just waiting for several seconds. Or mobile phone will receive the message. In that time, we'll reply the customers and other questions. Some of customer are curious about why the GSM expiring date cannot check the GSM bill cost. If you want to check the bill cost, we'll suggest our customer to press the 0. Don't press the 0. If out in China is a China mobile company or China unicorn company, China telecom company to inquire the cost. Our China is 10086 to make the phone call. Yes, welcome to the China Telecom or China Mobile.
手机充值请按2，业务办理请按3，停开机与付纳服务请按4。
You can inquire the cost to and the following operation voice prompt is Chinese. I'm just waiting for the message. Okay, now we get the message. Security system to remind you, SIM card expired, please recharge. Before that day, because we said that today is February 5th, 10 days before or 10 days after that night, you will receive the message every day.